I like have been trying like lots of different bath bombs, like because I love bath bombs. I mean, they're just fun. So then we got all 7 of them a while back, and we tried them, and oh, they're just so perfect. I can't like even explain it. Like normally after bath bombs, you have to put on lotion and stuff. You don't have to do that. There's like the essential oils. It smells great. It's relaxing. It's so special. It's the, you know, she did it with me a couple times. It was so fun, and we were so sad when the fizziness went out. It was just, it was so fun to watch them like float around, and it's like, and they're all like cruelty free, which makes them even better. And like, they're fantastic. All the colors, they're beautiful too. Like all the beautiful colors, and like. They're just gorgeous. They smell fantastic. They're less expensive than like most other places, and they last longer. They smell better. They're just better.
Oh my gosh! Thank you so much for loving them. I really appreciate it. We're here at the Women's Club of Orange at Meatless Mondays, and you girls just made my night. I'm so happy that you love them. I really am. Now you're 12 and you're a vegan, right? Wow.
She's not.
It's okay.
She's going that direction.
She's in the mix, in the works. It's okay.
She's in the middle of trying to go vegetarian, trying to kind of like, you know, test the water. She's trying.
I understand. I understand completely. I'm in the same boat.
I
understand.
Going vegan. Like, I tried one time, didn't make it a week. I tried a couple times to be vegetarian, that didn't really work either. But I used to live in Wisconsin, so it's cheesy. But then when I moved to California about a year ago, I went vegan, and that's changed. It's opened my eyes to beautiful products like these.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. Thank you for loving them. Thank you for being an inspiration for kids your age. And we'll see you next time. Enjoy, full joy, your bath bombs.
We will.
Okay. Bye-bye, girls.